So I'll just go through number 1 real quick. I got it written down over there so we can see it. And here's my process to graph it. Step number 1, hit the center. What's that, -2 and 1?
-2 is on the
Oh, thank you. -2 and 1. I'm worried that I don't have it. It's going to be close, isn't it?
That's not 0. Would it be 0?
Why did I go with 1? I'm so worried that I'm going to be too short. There we go. And then the x's have a 9 underneath them, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and 1, 2, 3 to the left. I don't know whether it's an A or a B. Once again, I don't care. They're just going to graph it. Now I got to go 7. That's big, isn't it? How many? I don't know. I'm going to have it. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right there. 4, 5, 6, 7. Right about there. That's going to go up, down, like that. Nothing to it, right? Okay. We can do that. We got green cups on that. I don't want to get out the cups because the cups would just be bad news. Now, looking at number 3, and 4, and 5, and 6. They are not set up in standard form yet. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is do that completing of the square. We need some practice with that. Step number 1 with completing the square is all the letters to the left. Put the x's with the x's and the y's with the y's. And all the numbers to the right. Make sure when you switch sides, you switch signs. Remember, we got to get them into a nice complete square like this. To do that, there needs to be a 1 out front of those. Right now, the x has got a 1, so that's good. Then I just take half of that number, which is -7. Square it, and add it to both sides. This turns into x something squared. In this case, whatever that is going in there, -7. Now we got issues with the 9y squareds. What do we do? Anybody remember? Got to take the 9 away, right? That leaves me with 4y. And now I can complete the square with the y squared plus 4y. Take half of 4, which is 2. Square it, and add what I just did to both sides. And I did a 9 times that. This now is going to look like this. X minus 7 squared plus 9 times y plus 2 squared equals, let's see, -49 and +49, 0. 2 squared is 4 times 9 is 36. But we don't want this equal to 36, we want it equal to 1. So I have to divide this by 36. So when I do that, this turns into x minus 7 over 36. The 9 and the 36 make a 4 on the bottom, right? Equals 1. Now it's in my nice standard form, and now I can graph it. There we go. That's what I want you to do the rest of the day for now. We have eccentricity to talk about a little bit. And I will honestly going to start to